What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget gaming PCs in 2022. I've made this list based on gaming performance, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an ultra-cheap option that can run basic games or the best budget gaming PC you can currently buy, we'll have the best PC for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're not looking to spend too much money on a gaming PC and want something that can reliably run basic games such as The Sims without lagging, the Alarco Gaming PC is a great option to consider and my choice as the best ultra-cheap gaming PC in 2022. The Alarco Gaming PC is an affordable option that's meant for entry-level gamers, light professional workflows, and running non-demanding games with playable frame rates. It comes with a sturdy metallic chassis, and you get a see-through tempered glass side panel to view the internal components. It has 6 fans that provide effective ventilation to prevent overheating and in-game throttling, and they're equipped with vibrant RGB lighting to deliver a gamer-oriented aesthetic. I like that it comes with a remote to adjust the fan speed and lighting effects to your liking, which is a solid addition for the price. You also get a solid amount of ports for peripherals, including 3 USB 3.0 ports and 4 USB 2.0 slots, but it doesn't have any USB-C ports for newer devices. It utilizes an Intel Core i5-2400 CPU with clock speeds up to 3.1 GHz, which delivers relatively quick performance and enough power for most day-to-day tasks such as word processing. Even though it won't run demanding AAA titles well, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 650 video card gets the job done with smaller games and some esports titles such as Fortnite. For those who are interested in something that can reliably run graphic-intensive games like Warzone, you may want to check out the Skytech Archangel we've got coming up later in the video. Even more, it has 8 GB of RAM that allows you to open multiple tabs simultaneously, along with a massive 1 TB hard drive to store your gaming library. While the Alarco Gaming PC lacks the power to smoothly run first-person shooters or most online competitive games like the Dell G5, it's still perfect for someone who wants to casually play games. It can reliably run less demanding games like Minecraft or The Sims, strategy games, and most action-adventure games at an affordable price. For anyone who wants an affordable gaming PC that offers solid performance without taking up much desk space, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is my choice as the best compact, cheap gaming PC in 2022. Not everyone has thousands to spend on a gaming PC, and the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop offers impressive power despite its small stature. It excels with playing basic games, and it can run more demanding mainstream titles such as GTA 5 with impressive frame rates. It only weighs around 13 pounds and has a compact form factor, so you won't have any issues moving it around or fitting it into your setup. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi 5 technology to deliver a stable internet connection, along with Bluetooth 4.2 compatibility for your wireless peripherals. I like that it includes a wired keyboard and mouse to help you get started, but they're not as high quality as most dedicated gaming peripherals. Unlike the Alarco Gaming PC we mentioned earlier, it also gives you 5.1 surround sound functionality to deliver a more accurate stereo image and an immersive gaming experience. On the inside, you get a 6-core Ryzen 5 3500 processor that's powerful enough to handle the basics, such as streaming videos and browsing the web. It also comes with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super GPU with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory that can run lighter games, most esports titles, and more graphically intensive open-world games with smooth frame rates at basic settings. The 8 GB of RAM can offer smoother web browsing, gaming, and better multitasking capabilities, and it has a free slot that makes upgrading the specs easy. While I would have liked to see more than 256 GB of SSD storage, the high SSD speeds can reduce load times. The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop isn't a gaming powerhouse that can handle every game, but it offers impressive performance considering the size and price. It's great for casual gamers who just want to play basic games with smooth frame rates, dabble with more demanding titles at moderate settings, and have a system that can handle everyday browsing tasks. Some people might be looking for excellent gaming performance at an affordable price. The Skytech Archangel is an outstanding gaming PC that utilizes an affordable and powerful Ryzen processor to deliver a smooth gaming experience with most mainstream titles. Ryzen processors generally perform better with multi-core processes such as multitasking, but the Skytech Archangel offers enough processing power to play most games at basic settings, browse the web, and work. It has a sturdy steel metallic chassis that should hold up over time and a moderate footprint that can fit well with most desk layouts. On the side, it has tempered glass panels that allow you to see the interior and view the 3 fans that maintain an optimal temperature. The fans and a portion of the front panel are also RGB lit to provide a gamer-focused look. The front edge has a decent array of ports for your peripherals, including 2 USB 3.1 Type-A ports, an RGB control button, and separate headphone and mic jacks, but the only USB-C port is found on the rear. You also get a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with free lifetime technical support to guarantee satisfaction. The Ryzen 5 3600 processor, NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super 6G GPU, and the 16GB of RAM can run nearly any game smoothly, although it lacks the power of more premium models like the Dell G5, so more demanding games like Red Dead Redemption 2 will have limited frame rates. It has 500GB of speedy SSD storage to keep your favorite games on hand, reduce load times, and improve power efficiency, although additional storage might be required for larger AAA games. I also like that it runs the Windows 10 home operating system that's free from bloatware, so you can maximize the storage capacity. While there are better Ryzen-based gaming PCs out there, the Skytech Archangel gives you a solid amount of power for a reasonable price. It can handle games like The Sims with ease, mainstream titles with decent frame rates, and graphically demanding games like Halo Infinite with playable frame rates at basic settings. Now, for anyone who's looking for an affordable gaming PC that offers impressive overall performance and enough power to handle almost any modern title, the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is another great option to consider. The CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC comes with an excellent blend of performance, aesthetics, and affordability. It's an ideal choice for more demanding games, viewing content, and general web browsing. It has a sleek black design, a transparent glass side panel, and internal fans with vibrant RGB lighting. You get plenty of ports for connecting your gaming accessories, including an HDMI port, a display port, 6 USB 3.1 inputs, and 2 USB 2.0 jacks. Unlike the cheaper options on this list, it comes with immersive 7.1 channel audio to provide a realistic soundscape and a more accurate stereo image. I like that it comes with a keyboard and mouse to save money on peripherals, and the mouse has built-in RGB lighting to match your aesthetic. Under the hood, you get a 10th generation Intel Core i5 10400F processor and 8GB of RAM that delivers impressive performance and multitasking capabilities for the price, although the overclocking headroom isn't the best. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super graphics card is also solid and can run games like GTA 5 with smooth frame rates and minimal lagging at decent settings. I think the DirectX technology sets it apart, which provides quicker processing for higher frame rates and better graphics. You also get a solid 500GB of NVMe SSD storage that can improve energy efficiency. The CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a great option to consider because of its solid storage capacity, DirectX technology to improve performance, and included peripherals. While it can't quite run 4K games at a seamless 60 frames per second, it offers admirable performance with most AAA titles on basic settings, and it's an ideal option for casual gamers who want to play more demanding games without shelling out much money. If you want the best blend of affordability, storage, gaming performance, and more in a sleek, stylish design, the Dell G5 might be the perfect gaming PC for you, and it's my choice as the best cheap gaming PC for most people in 2022. The Dell G5 Gaming Desktop is the best budget gaming PC on the market. It can handle nearly any computing task, such as multitasking, and offers excellent in-game performance for a reasonable price. While it doesn't have a standout design, you get a compact footprint that can easily fit into smaller spaces. As with many other options, it has a side panel window that allows you to see the interior, and it has vibrant 2-zone LED lighting that can be customized with the Alienware Command Center app. It also has several easy-to-access ports on the front panel, including 2 USB 2.0 ports, a USB-C port, and mic and headphone jacks, but it lacks a flash memory card reader. I also like that the back panel doesn't require tools to be removed, so you can easily upgrade the system. Under the hood, it uses a 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, and the same NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU as the previously mentioned Skytech Archangel, except it offers superior overall power and can play graphically demanding games with decent frame rates, edit smaller video files, and handle some programming tasks. While it doesn't have the smooth frame rates and 4K resolution of premium offerings, it can handle most games at respectable settings and provides the best in-game performance among sub-$1,500 PCs. It comes with a somewhat limited 256GB of SSD storage, but it also has a 1TB SATA hard drive and some empty internal slots to expand the storage. The Dell G5 is the best gaming PC for most people because it comes with impressive storage capacity, connectivity options, and it can handle nearly any game or computing task. It doesn't deliver a class-leading 4K gaming experience, but it can reliably run intense online games like Halo Infinite with decent frame rates at moderate settings. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.